Ramogi TV ni kopi ne yiero madundo ma okawo thuolo malach kapok otim kaluwore gi bedo ni pok nochuog duol mar IEBC. Ka wadhi nyime en ni ikruok ne yiero madundo ma Mbeere North e kaunti ma Embu bende ochopo e midimidi ka jopiny kod jochung' koro kwano mana seche motelo ne ombuluno machakore kiny. Watudre gi jafwambo marwa Emmanuel To mantiere kono mondo miwa kaka chenro chalo. Emmanuel To, labda utuelezee mambo yako vipi maeneo hayo ya Mbeere?
Erokamano Milton, antie achiel kachiel huku Mbeere North constituency, Chicago Girls High School, where we're expecting to see a lot of activities. It is the last minute activity. They say kama ikrok the nyime. That is where my Luo is ending officially. And I'm not going into English because Luo is also part of the Luo. And of course, we have seen some of the police officers being deployed right now to their various polling stations. We have 134 polling stations here in Mbeere North constituency where there will be 2 police officers manning those stations, meaning we'll have about 268 for those polling stations. And after that, we'll also be having some who will be manning the main tallying center here at Chicago Girls High School, where the main activity will be happening tomorrow evening. We have been told by the IEBC officials that they are also processing their presiding officers, and those clerks will also be going to those areas where the by-elections will be continuing. We have 3 wards here in Mbeere North. We have a Vurore ward, we have Ndawa ward, and we have Muminji ward. Those are the 3 wards that will be going to the polls tomorrow, as 55,154 registered voters will be going to the ballot to elect the next member of parliament. And of course, there's some activities happening on the other end where the presiding officers are being briefed on what they're supposed to do. And we have 9 candidates who've also actually thrown their weight in the ring, and they're all men. We have not seen any female candidates being cleared or being on the ballot. There have been some concerns about the deployment of plainclothes police officers to this by-election, but the police officers and the police boss here in Embu County, Sarah Koki, has told us that that is a normal procedure that happens to ensure that they also provide security in the best way they know, but they will be keeping by the rules of the game. And of course, we'll be having some more activities as the ballot papers will be deployed to those polling stations later from 2 p.m. thereabout in the next 30 minutes. So that is where we will be moving. That will be the next course of action here. So Milton, there's not much that is happening now until maybe probably towards late today when we'll be getting some more activities. So until from here in Mbeere North, I hand it over to you in studio, Milton. Erokamano ahinya.